Hi everybody, this is Benedek here. Very welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can easily retrieve your forgotten Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Go to the search and search for the control panel. Here we go. Now select the network and internet and select the network and sharing center. Here select your Wi-Fi, go for the wireless properties and select the security tab. And here we go. If you will tick this little checkbox, your password will appear here. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you find it helpful, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel. That will help me a lot to grow this channel, and please consider giving me a thumbs up if it really helped you. Alright, have an absolutely wonderful day wherever you are. Be safe out there, and bye bye.